What if I told you that you could transform your body, boost your fitness, and elevate your overall health, all in just 5 minutes a day? Sounds intriguing, right? In this captivating journey, we're delving into the world of battle ropes, the ultimate exercise that promises incredible results in minimal time. Picture this: you're constantly on the go, and your busy schedule leaves little room for lengthy workouts. But who said you have to sacrifice your fitness goals? Enter battle ropes, a dynamic, exhilarating, and efficient way to supercharge your daily routine. So what happens to your body when you embrace the power of battle ropes on a daily basis? Prepare to be amazed. First and foremost, your body will become a fortress of strength. Research reveals that participants who incorporated battle ropes into their routine for just 15 minutes, 3 times a week, witnessed a significant boost in strength levels. Think about it: more push-ups and higher scores on strength tests. It's an empowering transformation. But what's the secret behind this newfound strength? Battle ropes engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, from your arms to your legs and core. The explosive movements force your muscles to contract harder, and with progressively heavier ropes, you can challenge yourself further. It's not just about lifting weights. It's about sculpting your entire body. As you become stronger, your cardiovascular health will skyrocket. Battle ropes are your ticket to elevating your heart rate into the anaerobic or VO2 max zone, improving your aerobic capacity and enhancing your overall endurance. The best part? Just 10 minutes of battle ropes can put you in the optimal heart rate zone for maximum oxygen consumption. But how long does it take to see these incredible results? Consistency is key. You'll begin noticing improvements in your strength within just 2 weeks, and your cardiovascular health will follow suit. It's a fitness revolution in the making. But that's not all. Battle ropes are your secret weapon to torching calories and shedding excess fat. A 10-minute battle rope session can burn roughly 110 calories, similar to a stair-stepper, and even surpassing running. If you're tight on time but keen on making a substantial dent in your daily caloric intake, battle ropes are your go-to solution. Moreover, battle ropes rev up your metabolism by increasing muscle mass. Muscles demand more fuel, even when you're at rest. With a faster metabolism, your body taps into its fat stores, turning you into a fat-burning machine. The icing on the cake: the afterburn effect. Battle ropes elevate your metabolism for up to 48 hours post-workout, accelerating calorie burn. Say goodbye to stress as battle ropes help you manage it effectively. Exercise releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that reduce stress, elevate mood, and banish anxiety. Plus, battle ropes provide an intense and vigorous outlet for pent-up frustration, leaving you feeling relaxed and rejuvenated. Now the big question: will battle ropes help you shed that stubborn belly fat? Absolutely. Battle ropes target hard-to-reach belly fat effectively by engaging your entire core region, from the lower back to oblique muscles. It's a powerful weapon in your fight against belly fat. What's more, battle ropes improves your balance, stability, and coordination. The constant changes in grip and position challenge your body to maintain equilibrium, engage stabilizer muscles, and enhance overall stability. It's like a finely tuned orchestra, with each muscle group working in harmony. And here's an exciting bonus: battle ropes enhance your injury resilience. By engaging multiple muscles and increasing your range of motion and flexibility, you'll be better prepared to withstand physical stress and reduce the risk of injury. Your path to a stronger, healthier you begins here. But battle ropes aren't just about physical strength, they also nurture mental toughness. The intense focus required during battle rope workouts enhances your mental resilience, making you better equipped to handle life's challenges and stay calm under pressure. In conclusion, battle ropes offers a holistic transformation, both physically and mentally. Whether it's reducing stress, building strength, enhancing balance, or shedding fat, battle ropes are the ultimate fitness tool for the modern world. And the best part? All you need is access to a decent-sized rope or battle strap, making it accessible to all. So why wait? Join the battle ropes revolution and witness your body and mind reach new heights in just 5 minutes a day. If you found this video inspiring and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content on fitness, health, and wellness. Share your battle ropes journey in the comments below, and together, let's inspire one another. Thanks for joining us on this extraordinary journey, and until next time, please subscribe and share.